So this is kind of a quick demo I made for a Lite 6 robot using a Grasshopper plugin called Egret. I built Egret kind of out of necessity. I had a background in KUKAs, and there's pretty good tools out there for Grasshopper and KUKAs, but there was just something missing for these Lite 6 or UFactory robots. So I built this out of necessity, and this is just kind of a super quick overview of a pick and place, essentially. So let me go ahead and pull up my script. If you're familiar with Grasshopper, this is nothing new to you. But I defined my robot. I have some marbles down here, and you can see I have it replicated over here. For a quick demo, I'll just grab this Python code. You can stream this to the KUKA, or I'm sorry, the Lite 6 or any of the UFactory robots. I also have a G-code output if you like G-code instead. And I will show you, I can make a digital twin, essentially, of the live robot to the pick and place. Let me just go ahead and throw that code onto my robot. I'll turn off my camera. You can see I'm in the initial position. We can click it one more time. Oh, I was not in the initial. There we go. I'm in the initial position. And you can see my robot on the video feed that is in its pose. So let me go ahead and just copy that code again. Copy data. I'll throw it into here. And I'm going to hit play. So you'll see on the right, I guess my left, that the arm is doing a pick and place of this arbitrary array of marbles. And you can see that the robot is live inside of Grasshopper. Obviously, I could keep showing the balls go back and forth, or removing each ball each time it drops. But for simplicity and just like kind of like a hello world demo, you can see it working here. A cool thing I did program into this, it's not really applicable at the moment. Well, let's say I had a barrier in between. Let me turn off this live feed. Let's say I had a obstacle in the way, and I wanted to account for that. I can have collision detection and make new tool pathing. So you see I have this arbitrary sphere in the way, so my tool path auto computed, and we can run that again real quick. So let me just copy that code. We'll just overwrite this. The robot arm is right over my container. That should be okay. We'll find out. Cool. You see I also have the twin inside of the web browser. But the more importantly, you can see that it's going up and over this arbitrary sphere that I had. All right, I will stop the video here, and then I'll start making a tutorial on how to start building, I guess, your first Hello World robot connection with the UFactories. All right, thanks.